In this video, I'm going to show you how to create wavy text in Canva using tools that are already available inside the platform, so you don't need any advanced design skills. After opening your design, head to the left panel, click on Apps, and search for the Warp feature, which allows you to bend and curve text into different wave styles. Once the app loads, type in the text you want to transform, and if you already have a design style, you can match the same font and color to keep everything consistent. Canva gives you several wave shapes to choose from, and adjusting the wave count carefully is important because too few or too many waves can make the text hard to read. Take a moment to preview the result before adding it to your design, and once it looks right, simply insert it into your canvas. This method works well for social posts, thumbnails, and creative headers, and while results may vary based on font choice, it's a simple way to add visual interest without leaving Canva. Subscribe for more simple Canva tips that help you design faster and smarter every time.